What if the greatest threat to life wasn't a meteor, but something far smaller?
For millennia, this silent killer has manipulated creatures, turning them into unwilling hosts.
Its methods are insidious, its reach pervasive, its history shrouded in mystery.
Clamped rigidly to the underside of the leaf, the ant is now merely a vessel. The parasitic fungus,
Could a fungus have brought entire ecosystems to their knees, causing mass extinction?
This is a story that challenges our understanding of life, death, and planetary survival. Today, we grapple with fungal threats to crops, wildlife, and even human health.
Fungi are master decomposers, but also powerful parasites. We often underestimate them.
Their adaptability is astonishing. They thrive in almost any environment.
From the microscopic to the macroscopic, they are everywhere, constantly evolving. Diseases like wheat rust can decimate food supplies, affecting millions globally.
White nose syndrome has wiped out millions of bats, crucial for ecosystem balance. And chytrid fungus has driven countless amphibian species to the brink of extinction.
These localized events hint at a potential for greater, catastrophic fungal impact.
To understand this, we must travel back in time to a period of unimaginable global upheaval.
The Permian period, a time of rich biodiversity, a world vastly different from our own. Massive reptiles thrived alongside diverse insect and amphibian life.
a seemingly stable world, full of evolutionary triumphs.
Dr. Anya Sharma studies the most devastating event in Earth's history, the Permian-Triassic extinction.
This boundary, the Permian-Triassic, represents the greatest loss of life ever recorded. Over 90% of marine species, 70% of terrestrial vertebrates vanished.
It wasn't just an extinction. It was an ecological reset button.
The oceans became toxic, suffocating life on an unimaginable scale.
On land, forests withered, and the air itself became poisonous.
For decades, the leading culprit has been the Siberian Traps supervolcano.
Its eruptions released greenhouse gases, triggering catastrophic global warming.
The volcanic theory is strong. It explains many of the observed and the observed changes.
But it doesn't fully explain the speed, the selectivity, the sheer devastation.
What if there was another, hidden factor, amplifying the volcanic catastrophe?
This is where Dr. Eris Thorne's research began to uncover a radical new hypothesis.
What the doctor saw that day would change everything we knew about the cordyceps fungus.
Dr. Thorne knew this moment could change everything. If the fungus had truly mutated, the implications were staggering. This extreme close-up reveals the terrifying speed of the aggressive hyphae colony. Notice how it pulses.
The contagion had mutated. In that moment, Eris Thorne knew the fate of the city rested in his hands.
Anya, Kenji, I need you both in the lab immediately.
I found something disturbing.
The jungle holds secrets we are only beginning to understand. But time is running out, and the infection spreads rapidly.
Aris? What is it? You sound serious.
Aris? Is everything all right? I'm in the middle of a culture transfer.
Dr. Thorne understood that precision in mycology was paramount. The arrival of the review board meant every specimen had to be cataloged.
What they were about to discover in the lab would change their understanding of the greatest extinction event in Earth's history.
Thank you for coming so quickly. I believe you need to see this.
On is. This specific layer of rock holds the key to the Permian extinction. If Dr. Sharma is correct,
The key to understanding the cordyceps lies deep within the ancient ice.
And if my theory holds, Kenji, this changes everything we know about evolution.
It was the signature of the Great Dying, unmistakable. But it was nearly 2 million years too early. Under extreme magnification, these fungal structures display a disturbing vitality. The rate of
My God, Aris! It's incredibly aggressive.
The secret lay buried for millennia, a fungal anomaly frozen in time. And now, it was awake. Like a malevolent forest, the fungal hyphae spread relentlessly, consuming the organic substrate with terrifying efficiency.
I've never seen anything like this. The growth rate, why, it's exponential.
This isn't just any fungus. This could be what we've been searching for.
The morphology, the extreme virulence, and differences aligns with our initial hypotheses.
If this species, or a close ancestor, existed back then, it explains so much.
We need to compare its genetic markers to any ancient fungal DNA we possess.
Exactly. We need to establish a definitive link to the Permian-Triassic event.
For Dr. Tanaka, these ancient fungal samples represented a Rosetta Stone, capable of unlocking
The Permian-Triassic extinction, the Great Dying, wiped out 90% of life on Earth. Finding the boundary layer is the key to understanding why.
Time is critical. We need to identify the agent before it adapts further. The samples from Sector Gamma are showing unique characteristics under the scope.
The extraction process is critical. Every movement must be precise to avoid contaminating the ancient fungal sample. Carefully lowering the ancient sample onto the slide. This small fragment could unlock the secrets of a forgotten era. To unlock the secrets held within this ancient sample, precision is paramount. Every drop of reagent is carefully measured before the thermal cycling begins. Utilizing the latest technology, the ancient DNA samples are processed with scientific precision, a blur of motion towards discovery. The Permian-Triassic extinction, often called the Great Dying, wiped out 90% of marine species and 7% of terrestrial life.
The fossil record shows an abrupt decline in plant life, then herbivores, then carnivores.
These red zones represent the widespread ecological collapse during the Great Dying. An unprecedented loss of
The forest collapsed. Within moments, the vibrant ecosystem was reduced to dust, signaling the greatest extinction event in Earth's history.
We are seeing rapid acceleration in the mutation rate. Unless we isolate the key sequence, this fungus will become unstoppable.
Comparing the modern strain to the ancient genetic signatures.
We need a match.
Doctors Thorne, Sharma, and Tanaka believe the answers to the Great Dying lie hidden within these ancient spores.
The data was undeniable. A correlation this strong suggested a definitive link between the ancient samples and the modern pathogen.
Aris, Anya, you need to see this. The match. It is significant.
As you can see highlighted in red, the genetic markers show a stunning 99.8% match.
It's the same. Or a direct ancestor. Unbelievable.
Permian Triassic extinction. It truly was a fungal apocalypse.
The genetic fingerprint is undeniable. This fungus has been here before.
And now it seems it's making a resurgence. What do we do now?